Go take a tik. I have here a Vivo V27e FRP or Google account. So this is Android 14 and Vantage OS 14. So this is the back case, and we gonna bypass this Google account. Next, and make sure that you have connected to your Wi-Fi. So here we go. So in this portion, in Wi-Fi portion, you should long press volume up, volume down, long press until there's a pop-up here. Tap turn on. Now long press again, volume up and volume down. Now voice commands are not available during setup. Then go back, allow, and then tap add network, and then tap the globe icon. So this is enable globe icon during talkback. So tap anywhere, and then tap the highlights number. Just follow. And then now swipe the 3 fingers. Use 3 fingers and then swipe, and then tap settings, and then disable talkback. Now long press volume up, volume down to disable. Talkback turn off. Yan, it's okay. Now use back at the top, and then scroll up, braille display, and then go to talkback, and then enable the accessibility menu. Turn on accessibility menu. Here we go. Tap the green icon, then assistant, then say open settings. Now settings is open. Next step is to enable the easy touch. Go to accessibility and then find the easy touch, turn on. Now there is a circle overlay in the home screen. Now go to settings, and then phone clone, new Android. Got it. Allow. Now scanner. Go to Play Store to another Android phone. Get your other Android phone, then search Activity Launcher to the Google Play Store. Install. Just install. Go to apps. Search again the Activity Launcher. So here is the icon. Install. Now I already installed that application. Now install the Easy Share. Install the Easy Share app. So here is the icon. Install and then open. Tap on clone, and then scan your Vivo V27e. Wait until the phone connects. So uncheck all. There's the shortcut, uncheck all, and then go to apps, tap apps, and then select the Activity Launcher you have downloaded into the Google Play Store or Google. Now tap and enter your PIN. Start cloning and then successfully transferred. Now go to the app and then open. Okay.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Asa daw?
Android setup, and then find a no setting icon, Android trampoline deferred. Tap and then start. Next. No cable, copy without cable. And then next keyboard. Choose Google account. Next. And then here, go to Google Play Store again and then type search Google. Install and open. Install and open the Google here, and then in just type in the search or just use mic. So it's up to you. So you follow me. Just type set up my device and then tap search or go. Now next copy and then enter your lock screen or pin code. Copying your account. Don't copy. Tap don't copy. Just skip. Skip. So just set up your phone until you goes into the home screen. So it's normal to start the phone to the home and set up again. Yan, it's start. Next. Don't copy. Now this time you tap don't copy. Next. Skip. And congratulations Katiktik. You successfully bypass your Vivo V2070 Android 14 Touch OS 14. Don't forget to like the video and just like even though you don't subscribe my channel, I highly appreciate it if you like my video. Okay, alright mga Katiktik. Bye bye until see you on my next vlog.